Celebrate St. Patrick's Day with festive Irish recipes. Top of the morning to all home cooks out there. St. Patrick's Day is just around the corner, and we're bringing a slice of Ireland directly to your kitchen. Stick with us for a feast of traditional Irish recipes, quick cooking tips, and creative ways to make your dishes festive and fun. Our first stop is a staple in Irish homes, Irish soda bread. With just 4 basic ingredients, it's a quick and easy recipe for every skill level. Warm, crusty, and perfect for slathering with butter, it's bound to be the heart of your St. Patrick's table. Start with a mix of flour, baking soda, salt, and buttermilk. Knead it gently, don't overdo it, to preserve that fluffy texture. Pop it in the oven, savor that heavenly aroma, and voila! Pair it with hearty soups or as-is for a delicious treat. Now let's dive into Ireland's comforting classic, shepherd's pie. Think rich ground lamb or beef for a twist, sautéed vegetables, and a buttery mashed potato topping baked to golden perfection. This dish will wrap you in a warm Irish hug. Layer seasoned meat and veggies in a casserole dish, top with creamy mashed potatoes, and bake until the top is golden and bubbly. Serve it up with a side of soda bread, and you've got yourself a meal steeped in Irish tradition. Want to embrace the St. Patrick's Day spirit entirely? Add a spark of green to the table with colcannon, a traditional Irish mashed potato dish. It's creamy, buttery potatoes mixed with chopped kale or cabbage for a pop of vibrant color and earthy flavor. Simply mash cooked potatoes, mix in steamed kale, and stir in butter and cream until decadently smooth. This dish is not only delicious but also festive, edible proof that green is the color of the day. No celebration is complete without dessert, and we've saved a truly special one for you. Irish apple cake. With a touch of cinnamon and nutmeg, this traditional cake is the perfect mix of sweet and spice topped with a dusting of powdered sugar. Slice up some apples, mix them into a simple spiced batter, and bake until the kitchen smells like Irish magic. Serve it warm with whipped cream or a dollop of custard for a dessert that will have everyone asking for seconds. Now that your recipes are ready, let's make them shine. For a festive touch, try plating your dishes with shamrock-shaped garnishes or sprinkle fresh herbs for added color. Use green napkins, rustic serving boards, or even mini flags for a fun presentation. Don't forget to use your soda bread as a centerpiece. Dress it up with decorative ribbons or surround it with small faux 4-leaf clovers to make your table Instagram ready. A little creativity goes a long way in making your meal memorable. Enhance the festive vibes with traditional Irish music playing in the background for your meal. From lively reels to soulful ballads, the tunes will transport you straight to the heart of Ireland. Want to take it a step further? Try serving your delectable dishes with a pint of Irish stout. For those who love a theme, dress up in green or add a stylish hat with a shamrock pin while cooking. Not only does it make the process more enjoyable, but it's an easy way to capture fun videos or photos for social media posts. As you celebrate, don't just keep the magic to yourself. Share your creations with friends and family. Snap a picture of your plated delights or a behind-the-scenes cooking mishap, because let's admit, sometimes they're just as fun. Post your photos and tag loved ones to spread Irish cheer. Even better, host a mini St. Patrick's Day dinner or party. These recipes are foolproof crowd pleasers, and the festive ambiance is sure to create memories that everyone will cherish. Let the good food and laughter bring people together. We hope you feel inspired to bring a taste of Ireland to your kitchen this St. Patrick's Day. Try out these simple and delicious recipes, get creative with your plating, and turn your meal into a feast for both the stomach and the eyes. If you love these ideas, like and subscribe for more. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Check out our blog for more in-depth guides at lifeandwork.blog/. Comment below. Happy St. Patrick's Day.